So what we're going to be doing today in this video is bikers are having a bad day. We're going to be talking about what we can do after a crash, before a crash, during a crash, everything. So let's jump right into it. We have lock ride riding around.
Too rapidly to the braking cars in front.
Okay, you saw a little bit of water, so we probably have some road surface hazard type stuff.
Ça patine.
Can't see much. Can't see much. Oh, lost a little traction. You saw a little bit of a brake lights up ahead. That vehicle stopped. What do you think happened to us? A little bit of a... Yeah, I think we weren't paying attention, and we did this. Write it in the comments what that means. I'm not even going to say it. There was a vehicle in front, stopped.
Ah, ça glisse de partout.
And then we did
Oui,
this.
ça va, non, ça va. Vous inquiétez pas.
82, Tony, exactly right. I'm not even going to say it. Here we go. Riding Humboldt County. We got a little bit of snow on the ground, so cold weather. Sharp left turn coming up. Okay, watch out. Slow it down. We're supposed to be 40 miles an hour. Went a little too wide. Hopefully we don't dump the bike, and hopefully we don't. Is this the same? Okay, so his footage. Oh, this is him crashing. Okay, so we're going to see what happens here. Sharp left turn. We're going 60 and a recommended 40. Please don't dump it. Please don't. There it is. So it can easily crush a leg, but this is kind of a weird position. Hopefully he's not hurt. But this is when we rescue a rider. Remain calm. Make sure that you're safe, so get off on the side. If he has any major bleeds, stop it. Quickly assess. That's the backside of our rescue cards that we have. If you want to, we give one away with every rescue pack. So crazy wrong side of the road driver. Here we go. We're turning a nice right turn, a little bit sharp. Interesting choice of parking for that guy. I don't know why they're just staying there. I probably would. All right, so saying 420. I use the exact same. Whoa, nice road surface hazard movement. I was about to say the rock form mount, but great job with the movement there.
And braking of the driver. He managed
Sharp right turn.
the car, but in contact with gravel, he had no chance.
Okay, sharp right turn. You saw that sign, right? You got chevrons right here indicating that we should probably not be screwing around right now. So that driver was not paying attention and just kind of slammed the brakes. Not good. Or we shouldn't have been following so closely to that driver. So right now what he could have done was just continued on going straight, just like this rider did. So finding that escape path is very, very important. What happened was he panicked and put his foot down and started going towards the right. Could have done exactly what the guy did with the camera. Oh, he's not wanting to get up. His left knee, he impacted that left knee. Once again, rescue another rider. We do have our trauma pack here. Okay, it's called the rescue pack. Has a lot of bleeding control. The red pack, the rescue pack, has a splint in it, 12-inch splint. So might have to use it for this. All right, so a lot of road surface hazard, terrible road, wet road, nighttime, idiot drivers, crushed left leg. Hopefully he was able to lift his leg up just a little bit. Did not see us because it's nighttime. It's nighttime. We aren't anticipating it. This is why we need to be smart riders and wear full gear. We do have a gear list right there. So we're going to be moving over here once again with the ram mount. His phone fell off. The rock form. Impatient driver gets too close and threatens to hit me with a car. Okay. We have a decent space cushion. It's getting closer and closer. So there we go. Now it's improving. This person's probably going to move over. Nope. Good. Back into here. Get yourself a better line of sight. We're not doing pretty good. We're not doing good with our planning route. Okay. So we want to position ourselves a little bit better. So don't antagonize. Don't encourage this kind of behavior. Don't get up next to this person and do some dumb stuff. Remember, law of gross tonnage. They will win when it comes to something like this. Gene bike. Okay, it's green for us. Okay, so we're coming up to an area with an intersection. Good. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Moving over. Non-issue. It happens. Just kind of move over in the next lane and continue on with your day. But you have to see that side of the vehicle in the first place. I'm always looking for sides of the vehicle. Always, 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 always. That is like most dangerous thing out there.
From control of the bike, straightening it.
Slow it down a little bit. You don't know what's coming around this corner, and if you hit a wall, you're kind of screwed. And there we are. We hit the wall. We're kind of screwed. Thankfully, he's able to get up. But sometimes they have some crazy stuff in that little area right there. You could have some debris, some sharp metal. You should be going a little bit slower. Go a little slower. Remember, when we're cornering, you need to look far ahead, adjust your speed, have good throttle control. You need to be able to relax. Don't go crazy. Just kind of relax. Throttle control. Keep looking through the turn. But you need to look far ahead and have a slower speed than pretty much what you're doing. Wear full gear just in case this happens. It could have been a broken leg easily. Those look like comfy sweats, but for when you're at home or working out, not when you're riding. Not when you are riding. All right, Henwood 11. Okay, watch out, long line. Okay, with this person, we're getting the blind spot. All right, just move over. Great job with the planning. Did an amazing job with that. Sand slammers. Okay, he's saying no. He's saying no. We got cross traffic. We got cross traffic. Hey, stop it. This is why having a cardo, so you guys can talk to each other. You can talk to them. You got multiple miles of range on those things, and tell them stop being an idiot. We've already seen this one. He lost his phone. What's up with everyone having these phone mounts and they don't have phones? I feel like it just fell down. Pedestrian, side of the pedestrian, you gotta be paying attention to it. Parked cars means there's people walking around to get to the cars.
Dangerous and even funny looking could end badly.
Interesting kind of card. It was all holographic. You saw that?
Oh,
Oh no!
What?
bro! The gas pump just like squirted all over everything.
It's a good day for you.
Dude!
That sucks. That'll eat your paint, dude. That'll eat your paint. It'll start destroying the glass on your phone.
Have a time.
It pumped up and I was like, why's your handle in? And then all the gas came out. I need...
See, the secret, if you didn't know this, it's cheaper to use the green one. I'm kidding. Don't do that. So Toyota, here we go, following right behind. There's an intersection right there. You see it? There's one side of the vehicle. This person's turning left. There's going to be another side of the vehicle. Let's see what happens here. This person can't turn very well. We're in a good position for line of sight and escape paths. Watch out for other vehicles. Why are we trying to pass when we know that there's vehicles coming out? What are we doing? Did okay, was going slow. He didn't pass like crazy. So watch out. Slick surface, black ice. Usually the turn. So going straight, I was gonna say it's typically easy, but he screwed that up too. A soft rag so you don't scratch it. Yeah, always with the gas on paint, get it off quickly. Get it off quickly. Alright, here we go. Green doesn't always mean go because we have idiots like this coming out. So let's go ahead and move over here if we can because we never know if that person's gonna come into our lane. They are, but now we have somebody here, I think, to the left. So watch out. This is why you need that 360 situational awareness, and we talk about that in our basic training e-course. It's only $4.99. Don't be like these riders. Actually pay attention and know what you're doing. That was uncommon in a common situation there. What the heck was that? Not supposed to happen. Space out for 1 second. 1 second. And then this happens. All right? So we have a police officer right there of some sort. So we're paying attention now, but for 1 second, we're not gonna. That's why you need to position yourself for safety. Hey, please don't tippity tap right in front of him. Brief second in my mirror to check out the officer's vehicle. Okay, this is why you have to put yourself, a little render problem right there. Put yourself over a little bit. So this was a terrible plan. He didn't position for safety. Could have moved over into this area and it would have not been a big deal.